All right, YouTube, I've got a couple of 6621 Pro Series Master Locks, and I need to make keys for them, which I'm going to do probably in a later video. But these are actually quick set keyway, and that's a very rakeable keyway, so I thought it might be fun to rake it open. And I'm going to use a multi-pick rake. This is the Multipick Elite Medium 27-piece Christina Palmer pick set that Multipick was kind enough to send to me. I kind of tried out and everything, and I actually have a promo code too. It's theboredlockpicker, good for 10% off to the end of 2023. And I don't get anything from that, but if you do want to check out some nice picks, there's 10% off. Try them out. Like I said, they are nice picks and very nice case as well. And I'm just gonna grab the bottom of the keyway tension tool and a rake, and we'll see if we can rake this thing open. So this is like I said, quick set keyway, very rakeable. Put the tension tool in, apply some tension. And the pick won't go in here. Might have some long pins in there, maybe too much tension, so just back off tension a little bit. And there we go, got it picked. And I actually just encountered a problem here too. I'm actually hitting the dust cover there, so I'm going to very carefully try to let this go back before it locks, so I can move the tension wrench and actually open it. Oh, so carefully here. There we go, got it turned and open. So there we go. There's just raking open the lock here. Now, I can actually pop the cylinder out now and make a key or rekey it or whatever I need to do, but so I'm going to actually probably use a different tool here to actually make the key for it in a later video. So click the button, the bell to see that if you're interested. And like I said, check out Multipick. I'll put the links in the description, and we will talk to everybody later.